Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name is Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, then make sure you subscribe to that channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. A lot of these things are very time sensitive. I want you to have that notification bell turned on so you don't leave any money on the table. Other than that, hit that like button for me. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Let's get into the market. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. My throat's a little raw today. My sinuses are all congested. But I wanted to get this video out to you. Get this Monday morning rolling. Get this week started. We have a lot going on. Not the least of them being midterm elections. So could be a crazy week ahead of us. Let's see what we're getting into. So we've got the S&P in the pre-market up about 0.25%. That's not too bad. We've got the Hong Kong markets. They closed well, up about 2.5% across the board, a little bit more. The tech industry really moved over in China, up about 4%. That's a really nice move for us. And we've got crypto holding up pretty strong. So not much to complain about there. It really looks like the market is wanting to set itself up to move forward. And I think part of this is people are already starting to anticipate that the Fed is only going to do a 50-point basis hike in December. Now, I'm not sure that I'm on that camp yet. I just don't see them backing off yet. Maybe after the first of the year, but right now I don't see that happening. And so I really think that the market's rallying a little bit prematurely. And that could hurt us a little bit later on. But right now, we can still make some money with it. And when it comes down, we'll make money too. If you follow on this channel, you know we make money either way it goes. So we're holding some Coinbase. We picked up some Coinbase on Friday. I said I thought it was a great price at $57. With crypto holding up, I do believe that it has a strong chance to rally. And crypto has been making some big moves, which is one of the reasons that I'm kind of anticipating that we could have a continuation in this rally. Is crypto is really setting up like Bitcoin wants to retest that $26,000 level. And so we could see that kind of run up in crypto, which could very well help carry the markets upward as well. And if we can get Bitcoin retesting 24, 25, 26,000, we could easily see Coinbase move back up into the upper 80s, low 90 range. Excuse me. Very easily. But for now, we could see some moves and we can make a great profit. Now that's the only stock that we're holding over from last week. And I am definitely looking at IMPP. We've still got oil prices rising up. We're moving closer to the holidays. I only look for gas to go up even more. So IMPP, still the same levels, looking for it right around 40 cents. Under preferably closer to that 39-cent level. But, if you want to nibble in, make sure you get a piece of it. Nothing wrong with that at all. A lot of times that's exactly how I do it. I get wherever I think it's going to go, I pick it up just a little bit higher. And if it drops more, that's why we always break up our buying size. So I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on IMPP. NIO is another big story. I've been pouring over the NIO charts, looking at some other people out there talking about NIO. And as much as I've always liked NIO, we've made a lot of money on NIO. I do believe that NIO is potentially about to go into a downturn. Now, if the market continues rallying up, doesn't mean that NIO couldn't catch that wave and run up a little bit more. In fact, I still do see it maybe running up, testing about that $13 line. And then we could see it pull back and see it trend downward maybe closer to that $5 mark, is what I'm seeing on the charts, and what a lot of other people that's better at reading charts than I am is seeing as well. So on NEO, I'm definitely going to be looking to close out my last position in NEO if we get up about $13. And then I may very well look at shorting the stock. Or if you're out there trading options, you might look at picking up a put option on NEO, because at least the charts are showing that we could be in a downward trend on, or not could be, we are definitely in a downward trend, and definitely showing that we are likely headed toward that $5 area. So if you're holding NEO, make sure you're careful, get a plan together to be able to profit on that move. And that's that's some of the main stocks that I'm watching. When I said I wasn't holding anything, we are still holding the UVXY. If the market does start to collapse, that is going to make us a lot of money. But for now, we're kind of stuck in it. It's dropped way more than I anticipated. And it's one of those things, I feel comfortable with it because I do know that it's going to come back up. I may have to hold it till the first of the year to get it, but I'm absolutely convinced that it's going to come up and that I will make money with it. So I'm not going to take that loss at this point in time. The only way I'll take a loss on it is maybe just a little before the first of the year. I might take a tax loss, wait my 31 days, buy back in, and be ready for the move upward if it was to continue to decline drastically. So that's kind of what I got for you today. Make sure you join me this afternoon. We'll see how our plays panned out. We'll see how the market holds up. See if we get that rally. It's definitely looking like we're going to move up today. And what the rest of the week brings, we're just going to have to feel it out. Like I said, it's going to be one of those roller coaster weeks. I would almost bank on that. So we want to make sure, be prepared, not surprised. Let's get out there. Let's make some money. Let's set ourselves up for these plays. Catch me this afternoon. Till then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.